Hello, my name is Josh Harmon. I'm the service manager here at Waconia Ford, your hometown dealer since 1925. If you have a couple minutes, I would like to ask you something. When was the last time you rotated your tires? If the answer is more than 6 months ago, then you should get that taken care of. It is recommended by Ford and all of us here at Waconia Ford to rotate them every 6 months or 6 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear on each tire. The weight on both front and rear axles differs, and the front tires takes more damage than the rears, thus causing them to wear down faster and warrant replacement sooner than necessary. Rotating them will allow the rear tires to take the brunt of the wear and allow your tires as a collective to last longer. Our service technicians here at Waconia Ford are all highly trained to rotate your tires in a quick and efficient manner so that you can get back on the road in no time. Waconia Ford service technicians are highly trained to address and treat any automotive concerns that come their way. To schedule your service appointment, visit www.waconiaford.com. Click on the Service tab, click on the Schedule Service dropdown to submit your appointment request. Thank you, we look forward to seeing you.